Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money online promoting CLICKBANK product or any other affiliate networks product using Facebook and without a website. So if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝗂𝗿 and today I'm going to be your guide today. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and also share it with your friends. So let's dive straight into it. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing or CLICKBANK, CLICKBANK is simply an affiliate network that you can get products to promote and make money online when somebody buys that product. If you don't have a CLICKBANK account, signing up for CLICKBANK is free. You just need to come to clickbank.com, then click on the Start Here button so you can follow the prompt in order to create an account with CLICKBANK. If you already have an account with CLICKBANK, you just need to click on the login button in order to log into your account. Now, I already have an account, so I'll just log in. Okay, so once you're logged in, you just need to come to this marketplace here. This is where you see thousands of offers that you can pick anyone in order to promote. Now, the angle or niche which you're going to focus on in this video is the make money online niche. You can repeat this same process in any other niche, depending on the niche you want to promote any product in. So you can repeat the same process there. It's still the same strategy you're going to use there. Now, in order to come to this, if you go there, you'll be brought to the general marketplace page there. So, but if you want to come to this specific page, you just need to scroll down and click on this e-business and marketing here. So you'll be brought to this page here. Now we need to pick a product. Now, the product we want to pick a product that pays high ticket commission. We've promoted this product in the past, made money with it. So, but let's go with any other products here. So let's see if we're going to see something else here. Software. We don't want to promote software here, but you can choose to promote software. But I want something affiliate marketing related, like, you know. So let me go to the page 3 here. So you can see here, this one here, this product pays high ticket commission, which is $877 per sale. So I think this is John Crestani's product here. So he's a popular YouTuber and affiliate marketer. So you can also promote his product here. So you can see people are making money with it, which is Gravity Score. People are making money with it. So here, this product now, what you just need to do is to click on this promote button here. Then the traffic source which you're going to use here is Facebook. So just type Facebook here so that we can be able to track our sale when using Facebook. So here we just click on the create here. Don't worry, you're not going to run ads here. It's free. Free method you're going to use. So just copy your link here, then save it in Notepad. So yeah, I'll just put it in my Notepad here. Then I'll close this. Now, once you've signed up for CLICKBANK, you've gotten your offer. The next step is for you to go over to Facebook. So let me just open my Facebook here. Okay. So once you come to Facebook, you'll be brought to your feed here, which is your Facebook feed. So what you need to do is just click on this create page here. Then create new page. So this is how to create a new page. So you just follow this prompt, create a new page, add your logo, add your banner, that banner there. Just add it. If you don't have a banner, you can go to Canva and create the banner there. So once your page has been set up, so this is my own page here. Let me just go to the page there. This is my page. Okay, so this is my page here. So here you can see my banner here, you can see my logo. Then you can see my call to action here, my intro. This is my link to my landing page where you can download my blueprint. Then this is the videos here. Okay, so to promote that product, the offer on CLICKBANK, the offer you just copy to your Notepad. In order to promote that offer, we want to use a Facebook method. Though you can upload photos on Facebook, but the method I find that work very well for me is using videos. You know, these days Facebook is trying to compete with TikTok and YouTube Short. So they want users to be on Facebook rather than these other platforms. So they are trying to promote videos even more than images. So that's why I'm using videos. Now, in order to get these videos that you can use to promote your offers, it works for every industry, every niche. So you just need to find the videos in the niche you're trying to promote that offer in. So if it's weight loss, we are like health niche, weight loss, you just need to find weight loss videos that you can use to promote on Facebook Reels. So here, this is how I get my videos. You can also repeat the same step. Go to TikTok here. You just type, if it's weight loss, you type weight loss there. But here, I'll just type, maybe the product is affiliate marketing there. So I'll just type affiliate. So this is it. So you can just type affiliate marketing here or any other phrase you want to use. So this is it here. Then you can see this video has a lot of views. So I'll just click on this on the rated side also. So here you just need to copy this link here. I want to show you something here. You can see this video has this video is 46 seconds long. The duration of this video is 46 seconds long. Now I'll just copy the link from here, then come over to this site to download this TikTok video. Just paste here, then download without watermark, you know, that TikTok watermark there, so it won't be there. Then you click on start download, then to download the video. Now this is what you need to do. Once you've created your page and your page is standard, go to Facebook Creator. So you can just go to business.facebook.com/creator studio. So you can go to this link here. If you go to this link, it will bring you to your Facebook Creator Studio. So everything is already integrated with Facebook. It's Facebook that owns it, so everything is already integrated already. You just need to come here. So it will show you your page here, which is this page here. Now what you need to do, let me see the video that's downloaded completely. So what you need to do is to click on this create button, then click on create reels. That's this right here. Then you type you find the video you just downloaded from TikTok. So this is the specific video I think. So that I click on this. Okay. Because I have multiple pages here, so Facebook selected the page for me. So this is it here. Now, this is your video. You have the video, which is this here. Now, what you need to do is to add a description here. Then you add your, your tags, which is those tags now, hashtag. You need to add them there because those hashtags, from my own understanding, that is what is going to position Facebook or tell Facebook like, okay, this is what your video is related to. This is what it's all about. So that Facebook can position your video to show to audiences who are interested in that topic, because you want the right audiences to see your video. You don't want somebody who is not interested in weight loss, or who is not interested in making money online, or who is not interested in real estate to be seeing your video, else they won't take action. So you want to optimize your video very well so that it will be showing to the right audiences, so that they can have your video can have the kind of the potential to pull them in order to go check out what you're trying to sell to them. Now this is it. This is what I do. I plan everything before I do my videos or upload my videos on Facebook. So I go to my Google Doc. I have a Google Doc for this. Then when I scroll down, this is the exact thing I use here. So I just copy this. You can see my hashtags here. I just copy this here. Then I come back to my Facebook here. Then I paste this here. For each upload I'm doing, like any video I'm uploading, this is what I'm using here. When I do this, you can see that we uploaded completely. Then I'll just do this. Then select next. You can either share it now or schedule it for later. So here I'll just share it now. So this is just how to do. So you just need to be consistent with this. You can upload 5 times a day. You can upload 10 times a day. So depending on your strength. So the key here is consistency. Be consistent. If you're consistent, you can see this video I just uploaded today, not so long ago. You can see the number of views I've gotten from this video. You can see them here. So if you're consistent about this thing, you're going to make the money with it. You understand? You can see the description. Everything is just the same that I'm using here. So I don't need to change it. So if you're consistent about it, the key here in affiliate marketing is visibility, traffic. If you can get traffic to your offers, you're going to make thousands of dollars passively. You don't need to go to, let's say, you don't need to go to an office. You don't need to do any 9 to 5. Just when you just focus, sit at home with your laptop or wherever you're using, connect to the internet, focus on doing these things step by step. You're going to make money with all these things, and try to be consistent. That is the key there, consistency. Okay, so this is it. Now, if you want to learn a proven online business that you can start right now and make money online, check out the link in my description and you will see a link to download my blueprint. So this is the blueprint that has allowed me to make 7 figures every single month without having to touch any product, without having to sell any product. I sell other people's product without having to do customer service or answer phone calls. I just promote this product just like I'm showing you here, and I earn so much money there. So if you go through that blueprint, you understand how I actually make my money online, and I hope you're going to get a lot of value from that blueprint test. Don't worry, just check out the link in the description there. You see the link to get that blueprint right now. Okay, so if you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.